Hey lovelies, welcome back. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I will get used to this, okay? Today I am showing you guys how I achieve this natural looking quick weave. I did use some bundles off of Amazon, 22, 24, and 26. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but all the information will be down below in the description box. Now, a disclaimer, this is my first time doing a quick weave on my own, period. Like literally, yeah, I think it turned out really good for my first time. Like, I love how soft it is. The only thing that I don't like about these bundles is the fact that it's thin, but that's what makes my hair look super natural. Like, but I don't really like that it's super thin. But if I was to straighten my real hair, it's gonna be thin, so it's like very realistic. But I feel like if I would have got like the same length bundles, it probably would have looked better. So I'll probably just do that next time I do this type of look. I actually did a voiceover on this video explaining what I did. I think this came out super long. I love it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit that bell button to get notified every time I post. I will be posting every Sunday. So be on the lookout for your girl and join the Lovelyy Gang, period. Let's get right into this video.
Look at it, mama, man. Look at it. That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her.
First things first, we want to start off with some freshly washed and blow-dried hair. Now, off camera, I'd already taken out my leave out, which I am doing a middle part. So I have my middle section out, and then I have a little bit of the sides out. I'm combing out my hair because I'm preparing it to be braided up. Now, I'm about to show you guys the braid and how I did it. I mean, the leave out, how I did the leave out. Now, when it comes to the braiding, it does not matter how many braids you do, unless, you know, it's a preference of, you know, you want to do so many braids or whatever. Me personally, I only did 5 braids, and I feel like as long as your braids are braided flat and not, you know, twisted or anything like that, then you should have a good foundation. What is it? Why is it called a quick weave if you're about to sit here and braid 12 braids because you want your braids to be little? Like, it just doesn't make any sense. Just do your 5 raggedy braids. As long as they're flat, you have nothing to worry about, trust me. Because when you guys see how I did these braids and you already seen the outcome, then you know it's totally fine how many braids you do. Now, I'm just showing you guys how I did my raggedy parts and whatever, and braid, and I'm going to just fast forward the braiding process.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches, I don't get it, you're a starlight. You shouldn't have to feel like that, I'll never make you feel like that. I love me.
Now we're going to grab our protective shield and we're going to get our dry brush as well. Both of them could be purchased at the beauty supply store. Now, this step is optional and it's your preference. Me personally, I'm going to make sure my hair is protected at all costs. So I'm putting a layer of the protective shield on my hair before I add the cap. Like I said, this is optional, but if you are going to do it, just make sure that it's evenly distributed throughout your hair. Now I'm just showing you guys how I apply it because, you know, if this is your first time, I want you to see how I applied it. And then you're going to make sure it's completely dry before moving on to the next next step. Now we're going to get our wig cap. It comes with 2 in a pack, and we're going to use both of them. Now I'm just showing you guys how I put my hair up under the cap. I just crisscrossed them and then put the cap on top of it, just like you see me doing now. And like I said, we're going to use both caps. Now, after you're done with that, you're going to get some concealer or whatever you want to grab, and make sure you outline your leave out. So when you are putting the protective shield layer on there, you will not, interfere with your leave out. So after you do a layer of that, you're going to blow dry that completely dry. Now we're going to grab our tracks, we're going to grab our glue, and all you have to do is measure from left to right, or as I like to say, ear to ear. Cut that, and then we're going to apply the glue. Now apply a good amount of glue, not too much and not too little. And then after, you're going to just apply it, your track left to right. Make sure it's on there and good. And then we're going to blow dry that completely dry before moving to the next step. Like I said, we're measuring left to right. We're going to cut it after we measured that. We're going to apply the glue, a good amount of glue, so our tracks will stay on, okay? And then we're just going to apply it left to right. And you're going to keep doing this all the way up. Make sure your tracks is completely dry.
Say what, say what, say what? Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh. Say what, say what, say what? Ooh. Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. Very first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer, baby. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride, play all day, walk in the light.
Y'all, I don't play when it comes to my hair. So what I did is I just cut one cap at a time, which you guys seen me cut the first cap, and now I'm carefully cutting the second cap. Now when you cut it, make sure you're cutting it where your part is, because we're going to continue to add tracks. You want to continue to add tracks all the way up to your part so you can have a seamless leave out. So when you flat iron your leave out and put it over your tracks, there's no gap or anything like that. So that's just basically what I'm doing. I'm just closing up the tracks and I'm adding it all the way up to the part. Now everything is finished, and I'm just showing you guys how seamless my tracks are. Like if the wind blows back and all of that, it's all seamless and it looks great in my opinion. Yeah, you look good, girl. Period. So now I'm just gonna take out the braids of our leave out, and we're gonna just prep that. We're going to take our heat protective spray, and make sure you spray it on your hands, not directly on your hair. You spray it on your hands and then you apply it. And I'm just going to start straightening the hair. Like I said previously, the hair is thin, so I was able to just straighten half of it and then put that down and do the rest. It wasn't too much to do, so that was cool.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. kiss on me.
Hey loves, now your girl is back. This part is definitely self-explanatory, but personally, Sade without baby hairs, that's like a no-brainer. I need baby hairs on all my hairstyles if I can. Thank you. It's just my preference, you know. People like it, people love it, people hate it, you know, whatever. But this is one of my signature looks that I like to go for when I do like that natural sew-in. But this is not a sew-in. This is a quick weave that we did, y'all. Congratulations. If you follow through with my steps and all of that, like, congratulations, you slayed your own hair, okay? This experience was my first experience doing a quick weave. I filmed it for you guys just so you guys can see, like, you know, even if this is your first time, like, I could do it, you can do it, you know, like, don't be scared. Just, you could try new things and you can save. Girl, this is beauty on a budget. Like, we on a budget over here, okay? And I know you guys probably see my makeup and it looks flawless, okay? If you guys need a tutorial on that, just let your girl know. But y'all, slay your hair, okay? Yes, I'm loving this look. And I can't wait to do it again. Like, this is so good. But thank you guys for watching all the way through, supporting, and all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys next Sunday with another video.